Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we are going to be in the master plan community of Bentwater, located in Magnolia, only minutes from Lake Conroe. And it's going to be listed for $545,000. It's going to be a new construction, never lived in, giving you 3 full bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, 2,413 square feet, and a lot size of 7,135. You're going to be zoned to the Montgomery School District, giving you Lincoln Elementary, Montgomery Junior High, and Montgomery High School. This is going to be a custom hold by Destin, which is the builder. Let's go take a look outside and begin the tour. Guys, this is going to be your exterior. It's in a private gated community, and this is going to be your front yard. As you can see, you have a few plants around to add to that curb appeal, and a light post to help light up the area in the dark. You're going to have this oversized driveway fitting a good amount of cars, and then you're going to have your garage here next to the entrance. Fits 2 cars. Your exterior is going to be made out of stone and stucco. You are going to have French gutters throughout the home to help propel that water outside. Now you are going to have recessed lighting, soft lit lighting, as well as a camera system already installed into this house. Here you find these stone pillars for your entrance, and you can see those gutters all around. Comes with sprinkler systems as well. Now let's take a look inside. You're gonna have shiplap ceilings up on the roof of the entrance, another camera, and these oak doors. Stepping inside, another thing I forgot to mention is that this home comes with a home office, which can be converted into a 4th bedroom. So you're gonna have French doors. You're gonna have some outlets connected to the bottom, and a window to let in some of that natural light. Chandelier and more shiplap ceilings here in the foyer. Now next to that, you're gonna find the first bedroom towards the front of the house with no carpet, tray ceilings with a nice black fan, 2 windows, taking a look at the driveway and the rest of your front neighbors. And this bedroom is actually gonna have a full ensuite bathroom with quartz countertops, a single sink, this nice large mirror, and it's gonna be a tub shower combo with a glass sliding door, as you can see. Has this polished marble, a rain style shower head, and built-in shelving with a nice hexagon pattern. Very unique for a tub shower combo that you have glass sliding door. Super unique. And then on this side you have some windows and a towel hanger there, as well as here. Pretty good. And the closet is going to be behind this front entrance door. As you can see, pretty standard closet. Let's take a look at the primary living area. We're gonna find this beautiful kitchen. First of all, high ceilings with wood beams. This beautiful quartz island, some extra space spare for your bar stools. These 3 light fixtures that hang all the way from the top of the ceilings all the way to the bottom. Now lots of cabinet space both on this side, under the island, and even over here. On the island, you're gonna find your stainless sink. This is where your fridge is gonna go. Lots of cabinet space all around. And a common thing you're gonna see is these floating shelves throughout the house. You're gonna find your first piece of them here. And your backsplash is actually gonna be the same material as your countertops and stainless steel appliances. You're gonna have your microwave and your oven on this side. Let's go ahead and take a look at the pantry, which is oversized as well. As you can see, tucked away in the corner with this nice pantry door, a built-in gas stove, giving you 8 burners and a pot filler. Now this extractor is going to be made out of wood. And another thing to not forget is that you actually have underlighting throughout this kitchen, adding another little detail. Now next to the kitchen, you're also going to have your living area all in one space with this brick fireplace. More cabinets, and here we see more floating shelves, quartz countertops. And then you actually have more floating shelves, this one plus this huge one in the middle supporting your TV. Now this nice elegant chandelier, and as you can see, letting in lots of natural light through those picture windows. Very beautiful living area. Now next to the kitchen, you're gonna find your formal dining. As you can see, it's very spacious, almost as big as the rooms. And you're gonna have tray and wood beam ceilings with another chandelier. As you can see, this is a beautiful dining area. Now over here in the corner, you're gonna find the secluded primary suite. You're gonna have this accent wall with the thermostat. Now this is gonna be the primary, guys. As you can see, it has the black accent wall with crown molding as the design, no carpet, and these two massive windows that can be opened looking to your backyard. Another unique thing is this barn style door leading into the primary. Go ahead and open it. Now in the primary bathroom, you're gonna have dual sinks and a built-in vanity for the lady, as you can see, perfectly already installed with quartz countertops going all throughout. With the dual sinks, it's gonna give you lots of counter space. You're gonna have a towel hanger on both sides. And up to the top, you're gonna find this cathedral ceiling with recessed lighting and a chandelier. This nice polished tile on the floor and private bathroom in here. It's gonna come with a separate tub and walk-in shower. The tub isn't installed at this moment, but here's where it's gonna go with this private window and some more recessed lighting. This is gonna be your walk-in shower. Let me go ahead and turn on the light for this one. All glass walk-in shower. Have a step down with this hexagon pattern on your floor with a rain style shower head. And that same material you're gonna find on the flooring, you're gonna find throughout all this walk-in shower all the way to the top. Built-in shelving with that same pattern on the flooring and a retractable hand shower as well. Now let's not skip over this massive oversized closet with lots of space, built-in drawers, built-in shelving on both sides actually. Here you're actually gonna find some wiring for your internet, for your camera system as well. Beautiful oversized closet, which I mentioned connects to the laundry. This is gonna be your laundry room with another floating shelf, some hanging space, your connections, a window, and your own sink in here, guys, which is awesome. Even more cabinet space. This is gonna be your garage right next to the laundry, your attic, and two windows letting in some light, as well as windows on the garage door. As you can see, tucked away in the corner with this nice pantry door. Right next to the living area, you're gonna find your last full bathroom. This is gonna be a walk-in shower with this glass opening door. Same material that you found in that primary. You're still gonna have a retractable hand shower and that rain style shower head. This one's gonna come with a singular sink, a large mirror, and a toilet. Now, what's special about this shower, although it's smaller than the other ones, is that it is an ensuite onto the third and final bedroom, where you're gonna have tray ceilings, ceiling fan, and these two large windows taking a look at the backyard as well, and a closet as well. Now let's take a look at the backyard. Now in the backyard, you're gonna have this covered patio with shiplap ceilings, recessed lighting, and a fan. And let's not forget about this outdoor kitchen with a built-in grill and a built-in sink outside. Now this material is gonna be stone and brick on the bottom. And this is gonna be your backyard. You're gonna have some extra flower beds over here, and you're gonna find wood fencing on this side, and next to your neighbor, you're gonna have this metal for this more luxury feel. Guys, as you can see, this is a beautiful home in a master plan gated community, super close to Lake Conroe, listed for $545,000, just hit the market not too long ago. If you would like to schedule a tour or want more information, contact me with the information in the description, where you're gonna find my phone number, as well as more information on the house and community. Thank you so much for watching.